Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss some examples based on our matrices. So friends, let's get started. So friends, we are going to discuss an exercise based on matrices. So before starting our exercise, let's talk about equality of matrices. So what is the equality of a matrices? So I will take an example to explain you. Let's take 3, 7, 8, 2, 1 and 0. We will consider this is equals to a 7b and 2 1 c. So now you should find the values of a, b and c. So see, you should match 3 is equals to a. So you should match the first element of the first matrix with the first element of the second matrix. So a is equals to 3. So let's go on to our next, which is 7, and in second matrix it is 7, so these are equal. Next, the third one, in first it is 8 and in second it is b, so we got the value of b is equals to 8. So next, 2 is 2, 1 is 1 and c value is 0. So this is the equality of a matrix. So let's start our exercise. So friends, our first example is, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? And the second part is, what if it has 5 elements? So in 11th class, I think you have studied permutations and combinations. So using permutations and combinations, you should find how many matrices are possible which has 18 elements. So the first matrix is 1 into 18, 1 cross 18 matrix. The second is 18 cross 1 matrix. The third is 2 cross 9 matrix. Fourth is 9 cross 2 matrix. Next is 3 cross 6 matrix, and other is 6 cross 3 matrix. So these are the possible matrices of 18 elements. So what if it has 5 elements? So only 2 are possible. 5 into 1, sorry, 5 cross 1 and 1 cross 5. These are the matrices possible when it has only 5 elements. So this was an easy example. So let's have another example. So friends, our second example is, construct a 2 by 2 matrix A is equals to A of I into J, whose elements are given by A of I into J is equals to I plus 2J whole square upon 2. So before solving this question, I am suggesting you to learn the general form of a matrix of 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. So the general form of 2 cross 2 matrix is A11, A12, A21 and A22. So this is the general form of a 2 cross 2 matrix, and of 3 cross 3 matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. So this is the general form of a 3 cross 3 matrix. So let's solve our question. See, this 1 1 means A of first row and of first column. This here I represents as row, on which row it is, and j represents as column. So I represents as row and j as column. Of which row and which column does it belongs. So let's take what is the I given to us. It is I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. A into ij is given to us. So first we should construct a 2 into 2 matrix. So first we should construct first element of 2 cross 2 matrix. So for constructing it, you should take in the place of I1 and in the place of J1, because it is the first element belongs to first row and first column. So let's take 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 whole square upon 2, 3 whole square 9 upon 2. So this is our first element. For second element, Aij is equals to, for second element we should take this 1 and 2. So 1 in the place of I, 1 plus 2 in the place of j. So 2 2 is 4 whole square upon 2. So 25 upon 2. For third element we should take 2 for I and 1 for j. So let's take 2 for I and 1 for j. 2 plus 2 whole square upon 2. 1 2 is 2 and 2 into 1 is 2 whole square. So 4 square 16 upon 2, which is 8. So next is our fourth element. So for fourth element we should take I as 2 and j as 2. So 2 and j is 4 whole square upon 2, which is 6 whole square 36 upon 2, which is 18. So we got our 4 elements. So let's arrange it. So first element is 9 by 2. So let's arrange it here, 9 by 2. Second is 25 by 2. Third is 16 by 2, which is 8. And fourth is 18. So this is our 2 cross 2 matrix. We constructed a 2 cross 2 matrix. So let's move on to our another example. So friends, our third example is construct a 3 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given. A of ij is equals to 1 by 2 mod I minus 3j mod I minus 3j. So let's solve it. So for 3 cross 2 we should write A1 1 A1 2 and A1 3 and A21 A22 and A23. So this is the general form. You can write it as as 3 cross 2. It has 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. So for first element we should write it belongs to first row and first column. So you should write A11. For second element it belongs to first row and second column. So A12. And for third element it belongs to first row of third column. So A13. You can write it like this. So let's solve our question. So for first element we should keep the value of I as 1 and j as also 1. So 1 minus mod 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and mod minus 2 becomes plus 2, 2 by 2, which is 1. So our answer is 1. So next, for second element we should take I as 1 and j as 2. So 1 by 2 I1 minus j2, 3 2s are 6. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5, minus 5 mod is 5, so 5 by 2. For third a of ij, we should take j value as 3, I value as 1. 1 minus 9, so minus 8, minus 8 mod is 8, 8 by 2 is 4. For next, for fourth, we should take I value as 2 and j value as 1. Here you can see I value as 2 and j value as 1. So I value is 2, 2 minus 3, which is minus 1, and minus 1 mod is 1, 1 by 2. So for fifth, I as 2 and j as 2. So 2 minus 6, which is minus 4, minus 4 mod is 4, and 4 by 2 is 2. And for last, sixth, I as 2 and j as 3. So 2 minus 9, which is minus 7, minus 7 mod is 7, 7 by 2. So we got all elements. So let's write a matrix. So first element is 1, 1. Second is 5 by 2. Third is 4. Fourth is 1 by 2. Fifth is 2. And sixth is 7 by 2. So this is a matrix. So we constructed a 3 cross 2 matrix. So let's move to our next example. So friends, our fourth question is, if this matrix is equals to this matrix, so find the values of a, b, c, x, y and z. So let's solve it. So before the starting of our examples, I explained you how to check the equality of a matrix. So what you should do, you should put the elements of the first matrix equal to the elements of the corresponding elements of the second matrix. So let's put them. So x plus 3 is equals to 0, and next z plus 4 is equals to 6, and 2y minus 7 is equals to 3y minus 2. So let's put these three equal and let's solve them. So x plus 3 is equals to 0, so x is equals to minus 3, we got the value of x. And z plus 4 is equals to 6, so z is equals to 6 minus 4, which is 2. And for y, so you take minus 7 another side, so it becomes plus 7, so 2y is equals to 3y minus 2 plus 7, so 2y is equals to 3y plus 5, and bring this 3y this side, so 2y minus 3y is equals to 5, so minus y is equals to 5, so y value is minus 5. So we have put these equal for these elements, we have put them equal to these. So now let's move to our second row, which is this, second column, which is this. So is 4x plus 6, which is equals to 2x, and a minus 1 is equals to minus 3, and 0 is equals to 2c plus 2. So this is our second column elements. So see, 4x plus 6 is equals to 2x. So take 2x this side, 4x minus 2x, and take 6 that side, which becomes negative. So 2x is equals to minus 6. So x is equals to minus 3. So next, for a, minus 1 is equals to minus 3. So a is equals to minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. Because this is minus 1, it moves to the another side and becomes plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is equals to minus 2. So for this, let's take plus 2 this side. So 2 minus 2 is equals to 2c. So c value you will get as minus 1. So this is the elements which are of second column. So let's take for third column, which is b minus 3 is equals to 2b plus 4, 3b is equals to minus 21, and z plus 2c is equals to 0. So let's find. So let's take plus 4 this side and b that side. So minus 3 and plus 4 comes here and becomes negative, so minus 7. So and this becomes b is equals to minus 7. So same you can take 3 that side, so minus 7 you will get the answer. And now here you should z plus 2c is equals to 0. So you should put the value of z. So see, you can easily check the value of z is 2. So you should put 2. So 2 plus 2c is equals to 0, and where 2c is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to minus 1. So now you check all the numbers. See, x value minus 3. So let's write it here. X value is minus 3. Next you can check y value minus 5. Y value minus 5. Now see here, z value is 2. So you can write z value is 2. So next let's come down, and x value is minus 3 we have already written. See, we have already written here x is equals to minus 3. So next is a is equals to minus 2. So let's write a is equals to minus 2. Next search for b is equals to minus 7 for this and this. So let's write b is equals to minus 7, and for c is equals to minus 1, and same down minus 1. So let's write c is equals to minus 1. So see, we have written all the values of x, y, z, a, b and c. So this was our fourth example. So friends, if you enjoyed our video, you can like it, share it, comment on it, and if you are new, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you friends. Goodbye. Have a good day.